In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your phone for audio in Microsoft Teams. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Teams and navigate to the Calendar tab. This is where you can see all your scheduled meetings. Once you're there, find the meeting you want to join and click on it. This action sets the stage for how you'll connect with your team. After clicking on the meeting, you will see an option to join. Now, here's where it gets interesting. When you click to join the meeting from your computer, you'll be presented with the audio and video configuration window. This window is crucial because it allows you to choose how you want to connect to the meeting audio. In the Audio Setup section, you will see various options available. Look closely for the one that says Phone Audio. Selecting this option means you're choosing to use your phone for the audio portion of the meeting instead of your computer's built-in speakers or microphone. This can often result in better sound quality and fewer distractions. Once you have selected phone audio, the next step is to click the Join Now button. This confirms your choice and allows you to enter the meeting. After you press that button, your audio source will now be your phone. This means that all the sounds from the meeting, as well as your microphone input, will be handled through your phone. You can speak and listen through your device, ensuring clear communication, even if you're in a noisy environment. An important tip to keep in mind is to ensure your phone is charged and that you have a good cellular connection. This way, you'll avoid any disruptions during your meeting. If you're in an area with poor reception, consider moving to a location where the signal is stronger. In summary, using your phone for audio in Microsoft Teams can enhance your meeting experience, especially if you encounter audio issues with your computer or simply prefer the flexibility of using your phone. By following these steps, navigating to the calendar, joining the meeting, selecting phone audio, and confirming with the Join Now button, you've successfully set up your phone for audio in Teams. That wraps up our tutorial. Using your phone for audio might just be the perfect solution for your next Microsoft Teams meeting. Thank you for watching today, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.